Howdy, doctors. Shawnsteel here, talking about a near and dear subject to your lives and mine. People who steal your money are not good people, no matter what their titles are. So we're talking about Rule 18 of the Shawnsteel Immutable 50 Rules of Steel. And of course, to get a copy of these 50 rules, all you got to do is contact us. And this is an entire subject. We're going to keep it to a 5-minute video because we value your time. Heck, we value our time. Who wants to do a video for more than 5 minutes? That's a lot of work, a lot of props, a lot of engineering. So we are the one leading pro chiropractic law firm for personal injury. We love personal injury. We don't get paid unless you get paid and the patient gets paid. So we think that's fair. So let's get into it. Lawyers are the chief culprits who can steal your med pay. Now that's PIP as well. I've seen this all over the country. So personal injury protection, med pay, when the patient's own insurance company has a legal duty to pay your reasonable chiropractic bills to their limits, whether it's $5,000 or $10,000, it's a blessing. If the patient, like in California, only 20% have med pay, and if the patient has $5,000 med pay, you put a big happy face on that file. This is a good thing. And the patients get care, they're happy, you bill, and you get paid within 30 days. And you don't worry about the PI case, you don't worry about the lawyer, how long it's going to take. And you follow the rules. You do a fair and reasonable bill with a nice average daily fee, you generate a bill, and then something happens. You do the bill, and you wait 30 days, and you don't get paid. Then you do it again. At the first of the month, you send out another bill for 2 months of care, and you don't get paid, and then you follow it up, and you discover something awful has happened in your life. That means somebody is taking money away from you, and you didn't even know about it. Turns out it's a PI lawyer who has intercepted your med pay. You send out the bill, and the insurance company, instead of sending you the check, they send it to the evil personal injury lawyer. When this happens, it's done not by mistake, it's done intentionally. The PI lawyer is not your friend. He has proven that he is the son of the devil. He has proven that he is unworthy to work with, and he's proven to be a thief and a liar. And Ace has written an article, Ace is my colleague, Alexander Eisner, and he's written an article in Dynamic Chiropractic where he claims this is a fraudulent act subject to criminal penalties, and I'm sure that's true in several states. Want to copy that article, contact us. What it means is when the lawyer takes your money, he is upsetting the entire ecosystem of the happy personal injury case. It creates chaos. So what do you do about it? You find out from the insurance company, you call him, why are you sending it to the attorney? Well, he has an assignment of benefits. He's a lawyer, he's powerful. You tell him you can't do that. So you have two options in my view. You could call and complain, you could write letters, you could drive down to the MedPay carrier and argue with the adjuster. I think that's a foolish waste of time. I think you got to take a better avenue. Number two is what you simply do is fire the attorney's posterior. Get him out of your life. Talk to the patient. Have a heart-to-heart. After all, the patient's seen you 10, 20 times. He trusts you, likes you, doesn't even know the PI attorney. And you suggest that he engage in the services of a pro chiropractic attorney. Get somebody else, and the patient has the right to fire any attorney for any reason or no reason. That's what's really nice. Get the new PI attorney who takes over the case, and of course you'll make the referral, will immediately take steps to fire the old attorney. He writes a letter like this. I kind of like the style of this letter. Dear Mr. Old Attorney, Mary Jones, for reasons of her own choosing, has decided to hire my law firm to immediately take over her case. Therefore, you are no longer authorized to contact her directly or indirectly. You are to send the contents of your file to my office and plus any MedPay proceeds you have collected. Failure to do so will result in a formal complaint with the State Bar Association. Sincerely yours, screw you, Shawnsteel. So those are really nice letters to do. Now, there may be a problem, but it's not your problem. When the case finally settles, the old attorney is entitled to a piece of the case. Let the attorneys worry about that, not your problem. So in the meanwhile, you fire the attorney takes over the case, the pro chiropractic attorney takes over the case, he gets the MedPay, forwards it to you, and instructs the insurance company never again to send him any more money from the patient's med pay. We make that clear on our practice. We always tell the insurance companies, don't bother us with that money. It's not ours. It belongs to the doctor. Send it straight to the doctor. And that way, we avoid the problem of attorney thieves who steal your med pay. You can do that. This is the end of our video. We keep it short, sweet, to the point. Each video is designed to save you money, to make your personal injury cases happier, less stressful. So we ask you to do 3 things. Please like us. Number 2, absolutely subscribe. It is free. And number 3, please send it to your friends, to your chiropractic friends that would enjoy this kind of information. We do this frequently and regularly. Alexander Eisner, my good colleague and associate and friend, is filming these. He puts them together. We try to get them out once a week for your viewing pleasure, and we try to have an organized way that will answer little questions about big PI problems. Thank you very much.